The driver is wearing a full face helmet with clear certification labels and a one piece racing suit classified as flame retardant clothing.
The height of our prototype vehicle is less than 1000 millimeters. The width of our prototype vehicle is less than 1.3 meters. The length of our prototype vehicle is less than 3.5 meters. The track width of our prototype vehicle is greater than 0.5 meters. Wheelbase of our prototype vehicle is greater than 1 meter. There are 5 safety belts, each of them attached to a separate mounting point. As you can see, these safety belts are firmly attached to the chassis. Crumple space is provided to protect the driver from front and side impacts. There is a clearance of more than 50 mm between the driver's head and the roll bar. It can be clearly observed that the roll bar width is much greater than the shoulder width of the driver.
One hydraulic brake system. This brake pedal controls the front two brake calipers, while this lever on the steering controls the rear brake caliper. The vehicle has one single hydraulic circuit per axle. All the 3 wheels of the vehicle are equipped with brakes.
Brake pedal through which both the front brakes are working. This is the brake lever which is connected via the brake line to the rear brake caliper. Driver sitting comfortably with both hands on steering and also able to press brakes.
It can be clearly observed that our prototype vehicle has a fully closed body. It has a front crumple zone of about 150 mm. The floor and the frame are perfectly solid and the bulkhead is rigid and fire resistant. The bulkhead completely isolates the driver's compartment from the energy compartment. Our prototype vehicle runs on 3 wheels.
This section of the video concerns items in Station 8, Electric Vehicle Design. The fuse is maximum 300 mm distance from the positive terminal of the battery with the rating of 30 amperes. The vehicle is equipped with 48 volt nominal single battery pack. The battery is isolated from driver's compartment behind bulkhead and mounted firmly. The capacity is 950.4 watt hours, that is less than 1000 watt hours. This section of the video concerns items in Station 11, Energy Verification, BEV. The battery has only 2 terminals. The BMS is located in the physical battery package. BMS is tailored to the lithium chemistry to control and protect the battery against risk of fire. The microcontroller is purpose-built with text DTU eSuperMileage SEM included in the mask of PCB etching. Vehicle is equipped with both internal and external shutdown mechanism. The internal shutdown is achieved by latching red push button. The external shutdown is at the rear of the vehicle and permanently installed on non-detachable part.